friends. Today is just going to be a super quick video of me unboxing a new ring light. This isn't something normally I'd post on my channel, but I just got this in the mail yesterday and I really wanted to do this so that my other fellow small YouTubers or just anyone, whatever it may be, if you're into photography, video, this is a very affordable option compared to normal ring lights, and I'm going to be reviewing the Mountdog 14-inch ring light. And it's actually really good quality. I've seen some really awesome reviews. I've done a lot of research into this ring light and I wanted to make my own video so you guys can also just get another opinion. So those of you who typed in looking for a review, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and also like this video. I also wanted to say to my current subscribers, thank you so much for me finally reaching 200 plus subscribers. So thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate the support more than you'll ever know. It is just blowing my mind that I'm getting actual people subscribing and loving my content. I just honestly can't express enough how much I appreciate it, and I can't wait to keep growing because I have some very exciting things coming up. Getting responses back from products and companies and brands that I'm reaching out to collab with, so keep an eye out for that. I also do want to say that I got my ring light, which is in this box right here. I got this from Amazon and I am trying to become an Amazon affiliate, and if you guys don't know what that is, that's just when you guys shop through my links, I get a small little commission from you guys purchasing through my links, but no pressure to do that. You can definitely just go on Amazon. So like I said, I'm reviewing the Mountdog ring light, and it's a 14-inch, and I'm gonna go to Amazon and kind of just read some of the facts directly about this ring light. So it does come with a carry bag, and like I said, it is the 14-inch. I currently am using one of the newer, or whatever this is, ring light, and it's actually my really good friend Maddie's, but I have to eventually give it back to her, and she was kind enough to loan it. First began my channel, but I think it's time now that I invest in my own, and this is the one I decided on. So this ring light is dimmable, so you can totally dim the light and everything, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys all the fun stuff in a second. It has a universal phone holder and Bluetooth remote, which I love Bluetooth remotes. I have one on my tripod that I'm using right now, and it comes in so clutch when I'm trying to just click boom 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 and get through my clips instead of me having to get up and turn it on manually. It has a 360-degree adjustable angle and high color rendering, which is really cool. I don't know too much about all that, but from what I've watched, it is good. And it does have a very sturdy tripod stand. This comes in at a price for about $59.99, and it has free shipping with Prime if you have that. So if you're a student, definitely sign up for Amazon Prime Student, because that's what I have. And it comes in clutch, and this honestly took only like 4 days to ship. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull it out of this box. So here it is. This is a pretty decent size. Came in a bigger box through Amazon, but I just put that off to the side. So when you open it up, it comes in a carrying case, very similar to most ring lights that you can get on the internet. And on the bottom of that box, there's a lot of the tripod accessories, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into just what's in here, which is probably, I'm assuming, the actual ring part of the light. So here it is, and as you can see, it is 14-inch. I was kind of worried because I know that the newer one has so many good reviews because it has like that, what am I trying to say? I'm just gonna turn you guys around. But yeah, it has like a cloth that you put around it. So I was pretty worried about this one just not being that great because it doesn't have that, but like I said, I've heard awesome reviews. So here is just the little dimmable portion of it, and you can turn it up, down, off, and there's like a little arrow button, which I'm not too sure what that does yet. So there's obviously the little instruction manual that shows you everything that comes in it, and then here is the little remote. So it has a little button that you just push on it. Okay, yeah, so it has an iOS and an Android button, so I'm not too sure if you guys can see that, but the top one says iOS and the bottom one says Android, so that's really cool that it can work for both different devices. I also have a Mountdog QR code where you scan it and you can have your warranty, so I'm probably definitely gonna do that. And here is the tripod, so you just pull the side out and it fits to your phone, which I used to not really like the ones that pulled out and made that funky noise, but it is really secure on your phone because it is just retracted. And holding it as tight as possible. Its rotation is like really cool, so this little top part goes like that, and this whole thing right here can bend. Ow. It can bend, and there's a little screw on the bottom to put it in the actual ring light itself. So I'm sure that this goes like right here. I'm assuming. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in there. So yeah, that just screws in right there. And my guess is that whenever you are filming and you have it in there, you can go ahead and just tilt this in. And I kind of like that it comes out a little bit because then you don't have to have it sitting too close in the middle, and sometimes you can see the ring light from the corners of your camera. So in the box, here is the tripod and the power adapter. So I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and set this up and then show you guys what it looks like so you're not getting too bored watching this. So I will see you when this is all put together. Okay babes, so there it is. I freaking love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take you up a little bit closer so I can show you guys all the fun little things that it comes with and how to change the settings. Okay, so as you guys can see, here she is. I have it facing me, so there's huge shadow on me right now, and I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like while you're in the middle of the ring light. But I just kind of want to run down to you guys exactly what is on here. So obviously it comes with the little remote, and yes, I have my newer one back there. And here's the little remote, but then there's also an adjustable little, I guess, another remote on here. And what's really cool, and I'm gonna pull this towards you guys so you can watch it change, and I have my camera focused on it, not on me, but on the ring light so you guys can see it. But what's gonna go down is if I switch the warmth of the light, it changes it to warm, and I can turn this all the way down to this setting, which obviously it's extremely dark, or I can turn it all the way up to this. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring you up in the middle so you guys are seeing what the warm setting does to my face, my skin tones, my backgrounds. And now I'm gonna show you guys the setting, which is not exactly the LED one like normal ring lights, or that's what you would call it, the cooler light, but this is like a middle in between. And again, you can turn this all the way down to just this little bit of light, or you can turn it all the way up to this amount of light. And here's what you guys look like when I have you in the middle of this setting. This is the middle, and I probably won't be using this one because I really love the normal cool toned ring light color, because I just feel like it looks the best for the style of videos I do. So now I'm gonna show you the normal LED color, and again, typical, you can dim it or not, and you can turn it on and off from this button as well. So this is definitely gonna come in handy. I kind of wish you could do that from the remote, but I totally understand why you can't. I honestly really like that it's on here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and prop you guys up in the middle and show you guys what you look like in the middle of the normal color. So here you guys are, you're in the middle. I don't have you completely attached to the tripod, I have you on my handheld tripod, but this is what the normal light looks, and obviously it is very comparable to what a normal ring light looks like. I honestly think this is such more of an affordable price than the newer. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and prop you guys back up over here, and I'm gonna kind of just talk about why I like it better than the newer. Okay guys, so now I have you in the middle of my Mountdog ring light. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely is not maybe as bright as the newer option. However, the price point you just can't beat. So like I said, this rings in about $59.99 on Amazon. I haven't been able to find it cheaper anywhere else, but I honestly am really loving the quality of the light. And to give you guys a perspective on how good this lighting is, I'm using the front camera on my iPhone 8 Plus. So if you didn't know that, I do film on my iPhone, and my iPhone's not the newest, it's not the prettiest, it's not the shiniest, but it does the job. And this ring light is doing a pretty good job of lighting my face up in a good quality, and I'm not looking overly orange, and I don't even have the lighting set on a specific point of my phone right now. And like I said, I'm using front camera, and I have you in the tripod directly in the middle, pretty horizontal even, and it looks really good, guys. So as I said, the newer ring light normally is around $92 on Amazon, and you have to plate the little plastic pieces that make the light warmer instead of just an option that switches it. For some people that may be a good thing, but for me, since I'm not very high tech right now at the moment when it comes to ring lights, that probably would have got a little confusing for me at times. And the 14-inch newer ring light that would be the same amount of items is this one, comes in at $71, so that is definitely way more than $59.99. I think that that's definitely maybe worth something I will invest in later, but that'll be once I have more subscribers and I have more content to be pushing out like this for more viewers. So maybe that's in my future, but right now this Mountdog ring light is really doing it for me and I honestly love it. So if you guys want to support me, or if you guys want to just shop this ring light in general, go check out the description. I will have it linked using my Amazon affiliate link, and definitely use that if you can, just to support me just a little bit, but if not, no pressure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little miscellaneous review on my new ring light. I'm so excited to use it for the rest of my videos, and I hope you guys have a happy, healthy day, and definitely hit that subscribe button if you have not already. So I will see you honeys in my next video.